Good Wednesday evening. Again, start with the 20-day chart. High low 975 to 1037. Let's call it 1038.50. We again pushed up to this 1036 and a quarter level today. That was our high. Trading right now 1035.50 here at 9:07 on the West Coast, midnight on the East. All the fireworks seem to start right around midnight Pacific, which is the European Opens again. So the chart is still pointing up. Today we pulled back again overnight to that 18-19 area and respectfully jumped another 18 points. So today I would look for, if you want to trade overnight, go for it. But again, I'd look for that 1025 area to hold. If that holds anywhere down to there, here from 1035, you can be a buyer. Doesn't look like it's pulling back. We're 10 points above that, and there's no news coming tomorrow. There's no economic news again this week that's going to affect this market. So short week and volume better than it was last week, but still holiday week, lighter than normal. Futures roll over tomorrow, so we begin trading Friday on the Z contract. The U will continue, but as traders, you should move that U contract over to the December contract tomorrow, so keep that in mind. Now let's break down today's action and what we saw. Again, so our pivot today is somewhere in that, again, 1875 to 36. Our pivot should be somewhere around this 1027 again overnight. So watch for that 1027 number. Here is quickly the 2-day chart. What we saw today. Let me show a line real quick, and you'll see why we bounced where we bounced today. Two reasons. One, first of all, we again traded up to that 1036 and then pulled back to that 1027 area. We said in our private chat room that again we would probably hold that area, and the reason we held that was guess what? Yesterday's high right here, 1027 and a half. Folks, you can't make this stuff up. It's that simple. We came back, tested yesterday's high right there, which also I'm going to quickly show you a fib chart. And if you drew it from the low, again overnight here, 18 and 75 cents up to the high, and two things you had working for you: 50% retrace here, 1027.50, and yesterday's high, 1027 was the high. So boom, bada bang, and here we go back to a new high, 1036. Again, tomorrow all the horses will run if we break over 1042. A couple stocks we looked at today from the trading side, I'll show real quick. First is Stryker. We talked about it in our trading room this morning on this gap open. I'm going to show you a quick little piece here. Actually, I'm not, but you can see here when we gapped up this push right here on the open, I said if we got a pullback, and we pulled back to this just a little below that open there at 44.40, you want to buy that. It did give you another $1.10 on the day. Stryker, another name we looked at on a gap open this morning for continuation of trend, was Millipore. This one didn't pull back as much, so I actually didn't get into this one, but same type of trade. You see this breakout on big volume on the open, and Millipore ran from this opening bar of 67.20 all the way up to 69.30, so another couple dollars. Those are a couple stocks, these momentum trades on these bullish markets that are working very nicely. So those were a couple of the suggestions we threw out there today. Again, tomorrow is rollover on the SPOOs. Look for that 1027. Basically, as long as you hold this 1025 area, we'll put it down to this area right in here. As long as you hold this 1025, look for continuation to hold. Anywhere below 1023, you want to be short. That was basically the low intraday trading today from the open. We were right here about this 1023 area. So really all these areas are your levels. The bulls continue to be in charge. No sense in fighting it. Again, if you want to be short, it's really, you got to watch this area in here. This is the area to watch. Below this, you want to be short. Otherwise, buy back to that area. Again, that's 10 points below where we are now, 1025 to 1022. But anywhere below that, you got to put on the warning hat. But right now, buy the dips down to that level. Again, 1027 should be approximate pivot tomorrow morning. Peace, have a good night, and we'll chat at you tomorrow. Again, if you're interested in a private Twitter feed only, you can go to PayPal and pay us directly $200 a month with entries, exits, and risk at misstrade, MISS trade at gmail.com, or you can look to the private room, if you're looking to learn and trade all day, come on and join us in there. And that's you can call Eric on that 888-201-4201. Have a great day.